Samsung is gearing up for an intriguing experiment with its upcoming lineup by introducing a Galaxy S25 Slim. According to ET News, the tech giant is planning to release this new model as an experimental addition to its main Galaxy S25 lineup. The strategy seems to harken back to Samsung's past when it launched the Galaxy Alpha 10 years ago, a slim device that influenced the design of the Galaxy S6. This time around, Samsung aims to gauge consumer interest in a thinner device before committing to incorporating this design philosophy into future flagship series like the Galaxy S26. Interestingly, Tom's Guide notes that Samsung's decision to introduce a thinner model comes in the wake of a similar move by Apple, which is rumored to release an iPhone 17 Slim next year. This device is expected to replace the current iPhone Plus series, just as the iPhone Mini was phased out. The potential iPhone model will likely continue the trend of thinner, lighter smartphones, a direction that Samsung seems keen to mirror with its own offering. Another interesting aspect of this upcoming model is its potential display size. The thinner iPhone counterpart might feature a 6.6-inch display, hinting that Samsung could also opt for a more compact screen size with the S25 Slim. This aligns with ongoing industry trends, where both Samsung and Apple have been racing to produce devices that are not only more lightweight, but also practical for daily use without compromising on premium features. The S25 Slim will not be released alongside the standard S25 lineup, which is expected to debut early next year with the regular, Plus, and Ultra versions. Instead, the slimmer variant will be introduced a few months later, much like how the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition followed the main release of the Z Fold 6. The focus on making the phone thinner aims to test whether this attribute can generate significant consumer interest. Although the exact base model for this slim version hasn't been disclosed, it is expected to closely align with one of the existing S25 models. This trial approach is essential for Samsung to understand the market's appetite for slim devices. This experimental launch strategy indicates that the company will release the model in limited quantities. If demand proves promising, the design elements of the slim variant could be carried forward to the Galaxy S26, showcasing how vital this move is for the future direction of Samsung's product lineup. Supporting the reports from ET News, well-known leaker Jucanlos Reve has also mentioned the development of this thinner model as a strategic follow-up to the S25 series. The slim device will not only experiment with design, but may also incorporate Samsung's in-house Exynos 2400 chip, which marks an important shift as the company continues its efforts to stabilize and improve its chip production. While Samsung is preparing for the launch of the Galaxy S25 Slim, new details have emerged about the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra models through leaked third-party cases. These leaks, shared by Roland Quant, reveal that the S25 and S25 Plus share a similar design, differing primarily in size. The S25 Ultra, on the other hand, adopts a more practical approach by shedding its sharp-cornered, boxy design, reminiscent of the Note series. These insights already surfacing as we approach the expected first quarter 2025 launch. ET News has hinted at a potential launch in April 2025, while no definitive price has been disclosed. Do you think the Galaxy S25 Slim will resonate with consumers, or is it just a gimmick? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exciting tech news.